Have you ever stumbled upon a remedy so versatile that it seems almost magical? Castor oil, derived from the humble seeds of the castor plant, is exactly that. Used for centuries across various cultures, this golden oil is a powerhouse of benefits that can enhance your beauty routine, improve your health, and even tackle some household chores. Whether you're looking to boost your hair's shine, soothe sore muscles, or speed up the healing of minor cuts, castor oil has got you covered. Intrigued? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the top 7 benefits of castor oil and see how this ancient remedy can become your modern-day go-to solution. 1. Helps your hair grow. Castor oil is a game-changer for anyone seeking longer, stronger, and healthier hair. This age-old remedy, cherished for its potent properties, can breathe new life into your hair. Imagine transforming your hair care routine with just a few drops of this magic elixir. By massaging a small amount of castor oil into your scalp, you unlock a cascade of benefits. This luxurious oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids and essential vitamins, all working together to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. This increased blood flow nourishes the hair follicles, encouraging faster and thicker hair growth. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil penetrates deep into the scalp, moisturizing and conditioning both the hair and scalp. This helps to reduce dandruff and dry, flaky skin, creating the perfect environment for hair to thrive. Each strand of hair is coated with a protective layer of moisture, making it more resilient against damage and breakage. Over time, you'll notice your hair becoming more voluminous, with a natural shine that turns heads. Think of castor oil as a superfood for your hair. It provides essential nutrients that not only boost hair growth but also enhance the overall health and appearance of your hair. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair, battling split ends, or simply looking to enhance your hair's natural beauty, castor oil is your go-to solution. Incorporating this powerful oil into your hair care routine is like giving your hair a luxurious, nutrient-rich spa treatment. With consistent use, you'll be amazed at the transformation, revealing longer, thicker, and more radiant hair than ever before. 2. Keeps your skin soft. Do you struggle with dry, flaky skin that seems impossible to keep moisturized? Imagine discovering a natural remedy that transforms your skin into a silky, smooth canvas. Enter castor oil, a time-honored beauty secret that works wonders on even the driest of skin. When you massage castor oil into your skin, it penetrates deeply, delivering intense hydration that leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Picture this. A few drops of this luxurious oil can turn rough, cracked hands into velvety softness, soothe and repair tired, achy feet, and give your face a radiant glow that feels as good as it looks. The magic of castor oil lies in its ability to lock in moisture, creating a barrier that keeps your skin hydrated for hours on end. No more constant reapplication of lotions and creams, just one application of castor oil, and your skin is enveloped in lasting moisture. Castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids and nutrients that nourish your skin, promoting healing and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Imagine waking up every morning to skin that not only feels softer, but looks more youthful and vibrant. Whether you're dealing with winter dryness or simply want to maintain a healthy glow year-round, castor oil is your secret weapon for achieving smooth, supple skin. So, why not indulge in the timeless luxury of castor oil? Treat your skin to the deep hydration it craves and enjoy the transformation as your skin becomes irresistibly soft and smooth. Your hands, feet, and face will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Dive into the world of castor oil and experience the ultimate in skin hydration and care. Have you tried castor oil before? If not, we've made it easy for you. Just check the description for our recommended brand. 3. Melts away. Muscle tension and soreness. Imagine this. You've just finished an exhilarating game of soccer or a long, invigorating run, but now your muscles are aching and sore. The discomfort can put a damper on your day, making every movement a reminder of your strenuous activity. What if I told you there's a natural remedy that can melt away that muscle pain and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? Enter castor oil, a time-tested solution that offers soothing relief for tired and aching muscles. Picture yourself massaging a few drops of warm castor oil into your sore muscles. As you gently work the oil into your skin, it begins to penetrate deeply, targeting the source of your discomfort. The rich, thick texture of castor oil is like a luxurious, gentle massage that eases tension and reduces inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory properties go to work, calming your muscles and helping to alleviate pain. As the castor oil works its magic, you can feel your muscles starting to relax, the pain gradually fading away. It's as if the oil is drawing out the tension, leaving behind a feeling of lightness and ease. This isn't just a temporary fix. The deep, penetrating action of castor oil provides long-lasting relief, helping your muscles recover faster so you can get back to doing what you love without the lingering soreness. 5. Banishes acne for a clear, radiant complexion. Imagine waking up one morning to find your reflection staring back at you, marred by a cluster of unwelcome pimples. Acne, the persistent foe of smooth, clear skin, has struck again. It's more than just an annoyance. It can sap your confidence and cast a shadow over your day. But what if the secret to fighting this relentless adversary lay in a humble bottle of castor oil? Castor oil offers a natural, gentle solution to the vexing problem of acne. Picture yourself gently dabbing a few drops of this golden oil onto your troubled skin. As you massage it in, the oil begins its work, seeping into your pores, dissolving impurities, and purging the skin of the bacteria that fuel breakouts. Unlike harsh chemical treatments that strip your skin of its natural moisture, castor oil nourishes and hydrates, leaving your face soft and supple. With each application, you feel a soothing relief, a promise of clearer days ahead. The redness fades, the swelling subsides, and those stubborn pimples shrink away, surrendering to the oil's persistent care. It's a small ritual, a moment of self-care that transforms your reflection and renews your spirit. So, the next time acne tries to undermine your confidence, remember the humble bottle of castor oil. Embrace its ancient wisdom and let it reveal the radiant, clear skin that's been waiting to shine through. This isn't just a remedy. It's a return to the natural beauty that's inherently yours. 6. Helps with constipation. Imagine standing in your kitchen, clutching your stomach, discomfort etched on your face. The frustration of digestive troubles can cast a shadow over your day, leaving you yearning for relief. Now, picture discovering a natural remedy that has been cherished for generations, a solution as simple as it is effective: castor oil. Imagine pouring a small amount of castor oil into a spoon, feeling its thick, silky texture. As you take it, you can almost sense the oil beginning its journey through your digestive tract. Its unique composition works like a gentle nudge to your system, encouraging things to move along naturally and effortlessly. As the oil works its magic, you start to feel a lightness in your abdomen, a sense of relief washing over you. The tension dissipates, replaced by a comforting ease. You realize that this simple, natural remedy has not only addressed your immediate discomfort, but has also provided a pathway to better digestive health. In a world filled with harsh laxatives and complex treatments, castor oil stands out as a beacon of simplicity and efficacy. It's a reminder of the power of nature and the age-old wisdom passed down through generations. So, the next time you find yourself struggling with digestive troubles, remember the humble bottle of castor oil. Embrace its soothing properties and let it guide you back to a state of comfort and well-being. This isn't just a quick fix. It's a gentle, natural way to restore balance and reclaim your day. Before we dive into the last amazing benefit of using castor oil, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're finding this video helpful. Plus, don't miss out on our top-rated castor oil recommendation. Just check the link in the description below. 7. Helps heal wounds. Imagine you're enjoying a sunny afternoon, perhaps gardening, hiking, or playing with your kids, when suddenly, a small accident leaves you with a cut or scrape. The sting of the injury interrupts your day, and you need a remedy that not only soothes the pain, but also accelerates healing. Enter castor oil, an ancient elixir renowned for its remarkable healing properties. Carefully, you dab the oil onto your wound, instantly sensing a soothing sensation. The thick, viscous oil forms a protective barrier, keeping the wound moist, an essential factor for optimal healing. As the oil works its magic, it also acts as a vigilant guardian, protecting your cut from germs and infections. Its natural antibacterial properties create a shield, keeping harmful microbes at bay. With each application, you can almost see the wound healing, the redness fading, and the skin knitting itself back together. Every time you apply castor oil, you're not just treating a cut or scrape. You're engaging in a ritual of care that honors your body's ability to heal. It's a moment of connection to nature's wisdom, a gentle reminder of the power held within simple, natural remedies. In conclusion, castor oil is a wonderful natural remedy with many benefits. From helping your hair grow faster and thicker to making your skin soft and smooth, castor oil is a great addition to your daily routine. It can even help with tummy troubles and make your eyelashes look amazing. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 7 top benefits. Give castor oil a try and see how it can make a difference in your life. Thanks for watching.